This video explains how to install an optional 550+100-sheet tray onto a Xerox C325 color multifunction printer. The C325 multifunction printer can support up to 2 total paper trays. Tray 1 is the standard 250-sheet tray with a single-sheet manual feeder. The optional Tray 2 adds a 550-sheet tray and a 100-sheet multi-purpose tray. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the 550+100-sheet tray and remove any packing materials. Lift the printer and place it on top of the 550+100-sheet tray until it clicks into place. 2 or more people may be required to lift the printer safely and prevent personal injury if the weight is greater than 16 kilograms, 35 pounds. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.